Good morning. Well, the Australian share market is set to open higher again this morning after a positive lead from overseas. Futures are suggesting a 0.15% rise for the benchmark S&P ASX 200 at 6,713. We saw the Dow and S&P 500 finish at fresh records following Chinese comments that pointed to a potential removal of tariffs in the long-running trade war with the United States. The Dow ended up 0.7%, about 180 points above the all-time high of 2 days ago. The S&P 500 gained 0.3%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq advanced 0.3%. Moving on to oil, well, it rose above US $62 a barrel overnight, and this comes after positive progress towards a trade deal, raising hopes for an end to a long dispute that has weighed on economic growth and demand for fuel. The trade dispute has prompted analysts to lower forecasts for oil demand and raise concerns that a supply glut could develop in 2020. Today, the CEOs of Australia's two largest banks, CBA and Westpac, will kick off the annual investigation in front of the House of Representatives Economics Committee. NAB and ANZ will face the committee a week later. The banks will be grilled from federal politicians to see how they are faring under the spotlight of trying to re-establish trust with their customers, as well as their progress in implementing the recommendations of the Royal Commission. And finally, we've seen Emirates Airline, the largest carrier in the Middle East, reporting a 282% rise in half-year net profits, mainly thanks to a drop in operation costs and fuel prices. The Dubai carrier said it posted a net profit of US $235 million in the first 6 months of the fiscal year, compared to just US $62 million in the same period last year. Have a great day and happy trading.